All right. We've learned about how to create a GitHub account and how to set up your a new repository. And we've done that in the last video, and we uploaded also learned how to upload our files to GitHub to our GitHub repository. So in today's video, I'm going to see how we can deploy our, our HTML file on GitHub pages. So what we currently have now is something, as you can see, this URL is a local stuff. So I can only access this on my local machine. You can't access this right now because you can't use this link. If you try to use this link, it won't direct you to this page because this page is not on the internet. It's just on my local machine. So what deployment does, it helps you take your code and put it on the web so that anybody anywhere around the world can access it. So let's jump into it. So hosting your GitHub repository, you can use GitHub pages. There are other options like Netlify and Vessel, but we're going to use GitHub pages. I've not used GitHub pages before, funny enough, but I think it's basic. I think it won't be difficult. So let's jump into it. So all you need to do, I think, the process is just to go to your setting and scroll down to GitHub pages section. So let me do that. I'm currently here. This is where we left off last time. So I'll click on the settings here. First step. Second step, I'll go to GitHub pages. I think I can find it. Okay, I think GitHub apps, GitHub pages. Yeah. Okay, my repository is private, so I can't do this. I think so. Note, it's GitHub pages work on only um public repository, except you want to upgrade and pay for it. I think there are options here. So but I don't want to click on that. Let me just click on it so you can see. So you have to pay for pro all of these $48 per year. You can pay monthly, $4 per month, right? So um that's that, but I don't want to pay. So let's go back to free. Okay, so what I need to do is to change it to public. So if you're using private, I doubt you. So come to change this visibility. Can see on private, change it to public. So you need to paste type this. So I'm going to copy it and paste it so they can change it to public. Now it's public. So let's go to the pages back, and you see that it has changed. Now we have options here. Okay, so what's the next step? Change disability option to master branch or main branch, depending on the branch you're using. So visibility, is it visibility now? Disable option, which is this currently disabled. I'll change it to main, right? Okay. So what else now? Now GitHub will do some behind the scenes work to publish your repository. So I'll click on save, right? All right, we are done with the entire flow. So GitHub does the entire job for us, and it gives us a link we can use. And the link usually takes your GitHub username .github.io slash the name of your repo. So when you click on this, it should take you to the site. So there's a probability you may get a 404 error. So I want to address that. Let me reload this. Yeah. So if you for instance get a 404 error, all you need to do is to come here. There's S here in the HTTP, remove it and click on enter. It should work, right? It should work. So but I didn't get the 404 error. Um I didn't get the 404 error. But if you got that, remove this S from here and click on enter. I think that should solve the problem. So that's all about deploying on GitHub.